Alright, so I'm over here at well, it's cooling, but I guess a weak cooling call. It's got really low airflow at the registers. They said it was freezing up out here. So I'll quickly check the pressures, temperatures. We already cited a clogged drain. Drain looks like it's clogged. But yeah, got 0 street heat basically. Low suction line, so that's definitely a sign of low airflow, high subcooling. So yeah, wondering if it could be a, I'm not sure, capacitor or based off the condition of this house, probably going to be a dirty coil. There was no filters, no return registers, and they were doing a bunch of work in there. So I'm going to capture that. I absolutely hate these types of crawl spaces. Let's see here. Like I said, I already found we got a clogged drain, but I need to now look at that coil. See what's going on with that. Alrighty. Something's up down there. Let's see here. Oh my. Yikes. Let's see how quickly we can make this happen. Without flooding the whole damn system. You might just have to flood it out a little, that's all. See how that works. Yeah. That evap is looking like right on. It's not going to work, is it? Look at that. I want to say there's something. Is there something dead on that thing? I gotta figure something out. Can't tell if something perished on there or is it just literally burnt. dirtiest coil I've ever seen. By far. That thing needs a full reconditioning. I don't know if it's just going to work out just cleaning that thing and being done with it. Seriously. Gotta figure something out. I don't think it's anything died. I think it's just really vile. Hope that's not flesh. I don't know how much longer of this I've got in me. Alright. Oh, yuck. I guarantee you, it's the last time I'm ever doing anything like this again. I just wanted something to try to maybe kill some of that bacteria, if possible. That's why I always say, if you can help it, don't rent. Okay. You never know what you're breathing in. No disrespect to the owners of this property, but it's time to replace this damn thing. I know this is the most futile attempt at cleaning a coil anyone has ever seen, but this isn't really my forte. Definitely don't deal too well with potential animal cadavers. Scraping them off of evaporator coils.